Okay, once again, revise the properties of the triangle.
The sum of two angles, two sides of the triangle is more than the third side.
Very good.
The difference between two sides of the triangle is less than third side.
Is always less than the third side.
Sum of three angles is 180.
Sum of three angles is equal to 180. Very good. Fourth property. Yesterday we discussed about the equilateral triangle. If all sides are equal, then all angles are also.
60 degrees.
If two sides are equal,
The
opposite of two equal sides are equal. Simple. That property, three properties you can remember like that. Three sides equal, then three angles equal. Two sides equal, then two angles equal. Which angles that are specially opposite to this? If two angles equal, then two sides equal. Which are that opposite to that angles? Like that, if you remember, easy. Last property about the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to. How do you get the exterior angle?
sum of two
Interior. Which interior? Opposite interior. Okay. Okay. Next example.
Number 12.
Example number 12. Okay. Find the angles x and y for the following. Okay, first one. 11th one is completed. 11th also did not complete. 11th one is what? Show the sum of the interior angles is equal to 360. So show the sum of the exterior angles. Sum of the exterior angles. So it is A, B, C, and here F, and here E, and here D. And this is which angle? Exterior or interior? Exterior. This is
Interior.
and it is.
Exterior.
This is.
Exterior.
This is.
Interior.
This is.
Interior.
So interior angles are there and exterior angles are there. You know sum of interior angles is equal to 180. You know that. Sum of interior angles is equal to 180. Okay, you know that already. Based on that, you know first only angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Sorry, interior no. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. You know about that already. Because of angle sum problem. Now what are you going to find? Sum of the exterior angles. No. Which are the exterior angles? 1 plus 2 plus 3. How do you get the 1? Can you say to me? By adding 5 and 4. So instead of that, can I write 4 plus 5? What about 2? How do you get 2?
5 plus 6.
By adding 5th angle and 6th angle. Angle 5 plus angle 6. Don't write 5, 6 only. Then you will confuse. 5 plus 6, 11. So then how do you get angle 3? By adding 4th angle and 6th angle. Can I write like this? Then you observe carefully. I am writing like this. 4, angle 5, angle 6. This 6 I am taking first. Can I take first or not? You can shuffle now numbers. In addition, you can shuffle now. Now angle 4 plus this angle 5 plus angle 6. You know that just now before you have said angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is how much? 180. And angle 4 plus angle 4, 5 plus angle 6. So totally So sum of exterior angles will be equal to 360. Sum of the three interior angles 180. So sum of the three exterior angles 360. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
So next example 12.
Find the angles that are important.
Example 12. Find the angles x and y in the following figures. First figure. C, D, A, B. This is 50 and it is x and it is y and it is 120. Easy questions already you have calculated.
Yes. Linear pair.
We can get it by using linear pair 60. You can get it by the adding these both, you will get this. So that's why 50 and how much will become 120? So that all which steps you can write. How you write this step, you know? Angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180. What is the reason? Because of linear pair. So then it is y plus 120 is equal to 180 by using the linear pair. Then next what you will write? Angle CAB plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACD. So what is the property? It is exterior angle property. Sum of these two will get exterior angle. No? Then x plus 50 is equal to 120. Then you can get the value of x. Okay, you can write directly answer, but if you want to write like the steps you will follow. Okay, second question. So these all we have done in the exercise. I think. 92 degrees. And it is x, y. Vertically opposite angles. Because of vertically opposite angles, you know that it is what? Angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 92 degrees. Okay, one is completed. And one more thing you know here. Very good. Two angles are same. Two sides are same. Then opposite angles are same. Which are that? CBA and CAB. Both are equal. So this is then what it is? If it is x, this is also
Yes.
then you can get it by using sum of the angles is equal to 180. You can find the value of x. After finding value of x, you can find the value of y by using the exterior angle property or linear pair. Anything you can use it. Okay. Next. 13. Something confusable it is, but if you understand, very easy. There is star. You know star. You draw the star. So here so many angles are there. So many angles are there. But you want to find it here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E how much? Main question is what is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. That much you have to find. What is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Okay, this is the main question you are going to find. How do you find? Directly it is not possible. Nothing is given here. No angle, nothing. Exterior angle is not there, interior angle is not there. If you know these are, by adding these three you will get 180, you know that. By adding these three you will get 180, we know that. Like that we know, but only this ending angles only, if you add what will get, that is the question. Okay? So for this, you just try to understand what I am going to do. I will take one triangle. In that, here what are the angles are there you see. In that compulsory two angles must be there. Like that take one triangle. You have to take one triangle. In that, what are the angles you are going to find? A, B, C, D, E. Out of them, two angles should come. You are thinking if you take this triangle, one angle only you get it. But I want two should come. Think like that, one triangle.
ADV.
Very good. ADV.
ADC.
Like this, if you take triangle is funny. You see, like this, if you take triangle will form. Maybe it's not there, but maybe if you take that. Is it triangle or not? Good triangle.
Yes.
In that our two angles are there. What are them? Angle A, angle D is there.
Yes.
Okay, one thing we will do, we are confusing, no? ABC will confuse the base angle. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. Okay? And I am taking, this is angle, why I am taking this one, you see. Now particularly, 5 angles are there, no?
Yes.
Out of that, we have taken one triangle which is having 2 angles. Like that, how I have taken here it is A, D, here something is there, no? That we will think that it is F is there here. A, D, F. A, D, F. This is one triangle, no? In this, I am taking external angle, exterior angle. I will make the exterior angle here. Can I take extra angle for this?
Yes.
This is the big triangle. In that why that only I have taken? No, because I know two interior angles.
Yes.
Because I know two interior angles. Where are they? These two interior angles are like this.
Yes.
This is the triangle. In this it is exterior angle. Where are the interior angles? These two are interior angles. Means you can find this, no?
Yes.
How do you find this? By adding these two. So, but first of all, I am writing this angle is 6. Angle 6 I am writing here. Okay? So, once again I will draw the equal. A, B, C, D, E. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. Any one you can take, not only this triangle only. You can take any one triangle. You see, now I am taking this triangle. This is 4, no? Yes. This triangle I will take. Can you take?
Yes. Yes.
In the two angles are there, no?
Yes.
Now exterior angle. Which exterior angle you will try? This is only exterior angle for this. Clear? You understand?
Yes.
For that means I am finding this angle. No, that's why I am naming for this angle 6. Okay. Now in this only one more opposite here exterior angle you take.
7.
Means then what you will do? This triangle will take. Okay, this triangle okay?
Okay.
If you take this triangle, this is exterior for this one. There also we know two angles. So this is one more exterior angle, that is angle 7. Okay, do you understand what I have done? What is my idea? I have taken two triangles.
In that
In that two angles are there, I know.
Yes.
Okay, like that I have taken two triangles and then I am trying to find the exterior angle. Why I have taken two angles? You know, because to find the exterior angle. To find the exterior angle. And this exterior angle, here one I won't take. Which are coming in one triangle only I have taken. Okay? Now you see, only I am taking this one triangle. In this triangle, do you know? What do you know?
3 sides. 4, 6.
3 angles, you know. Sum of the angles is equal to this small triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 is what? what? Angle 4 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180. Angle 4 means I don't know anything, but I know what is the meaning of angle 6. I can find angle 6. What is angle 6? Exterior angle. How can I find the exterior angle? By adding two opposite interior. Means angle 6 is equal to how much? Angle 2 plus angle 5. Do you accept it? So means instead of 6, what I am going to write? Angle 2 plus angle 5. Can I write like this? And angle 7 is also exterior angle of this triangle. Then what should I do? How do I find this angle 7? By adding two interior angles. Angle 1 plus angle 3. Instead of angle 7, what can I write? Angle 1 plus angle 3. So just from this sentence, what I changed? Only 6 to 7. 4 as it is. Plus as it is. Instead of 6, 2 plus 5. Plus instead of 7, 1 plus 3. 180 is equal to 180. 180. This is only we need. What did I say to you find? And in this question, what do you need to find? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E, no. Means what? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, no. What did you get here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 1. So means you found the answer?
Yes.
What you need to find here? Sum of this, only these top angles. That you found, how much it is? 180. Means add sum of these 5 angles also, what do you get? 180. So maybe you take big star or small star. The star which is on the board or the star which is in the space. You take which is the big one or small one. What is the angles of this corner angles? What do you get it? Sum of that angles you will get 180 only. It is bigger or small. You understand clearly?
Yes.
So directly you will confuse. Simply what you have to remember in this question. Take two big triangles.
We cannot understand.
Yes, you can. In this, from this, how you are doing here? Like this, no. It is coming like this, no.
Yes.
Main triangle. This is E, this is B, and you think here F and G is there. So it is what? F. And here what is there? It is D. Like this, you can get it. So what is this angle? It is 5. And it is what? Angle 2. Here what did you name it? Angle 6. How do you get this answer? Angle 2 plus angle 5. And second, what are you doing here? We are taking this triangle. Which triangle? Like this? A, G, D, C. Like this you have taken. In this, what is the first angle here? Angle 1. Here it is angle 3. This are marked as angle 7. How do you get angle 7? By adding interior. What are that? Angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay? Then what you have written? Angle 4 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180. Instead of 6, what you can write? Angle 2 plus angle 5. Instead of 7, what can you write? Angle 1 plus angle 3. Finally, I found that this is what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180. In this, you can take this triangle also. You can get answer. Any triangle you can take. So means 5 ways are there. 5 ways means we used this triangle. No? We can use this triangle also. You can use this triangle also. You can use this triangle also. Any triangle you can use. But finally you can get the answer. Same. Okay? Sum of all the angles of star is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, next in exercise some problems are left. No? How many are left? 5th to 8th to 9th to 5th one. What is the 5th one?
There is 3x, 1x.
Angle bad. See, like the bad angles also are there. So you should careful about the bad angles. That's why I said to don't do yesterday, because that is bad angle. To find that, we need to get mad angle. I said 65 degrees, 104 degrees. So okay. What is the question is given here?
3x and x, sir.
Huh?
3x and x.
Wait. We have given here like that angle bad is equal to 3 angle DBA. Like that means I said to you so many times, when you are thinking that, you think that this is depending on that. Here bad is dependent, DBA is not dependent. Second, what is, he didn't give anything no. Simple here, two unknowns. Like the sentences when you are getting, before that also you have done. You think these both are unknowns. In that one you will take x. Which one is better to take x? Which is not dependent. In this which is not dependent, this is dependent, this is not dependent. Because you are getting this answer by using this no. That's why it is dependent, it is not dependent. So what you will think? Let angle DBA is equal to x. Then angle BAD is equal to 3x. So where you have to that mark it? BAD. This is what?
3x.
DBA is yes. Now you see that this is one triangle now. You can use the triangle now. Which triangle? In triangle BAD. In triangle BAD. You know that sum of the angles is equal to 180. So means what you can say? X plus
3x plus
104 is equal to 180. 4x plus 104 is equal to 180. Okay, only x terms only have to add. 4x is equal to 180 minus 104. 4x is equal to 76. X is equal to 76 by 4 means 19. X is equal to 19 means we know that angle BAD, angle DBA is equal to how many degrees? 19. One more is what? Angle BAD. You know that how do you, what it is? 3x no? 3x means what? 3 into 19 is equal to 57 degrees. Two completed. And one more is set to find. CDB how to find? CDB. So this one you have to find. I am thinking why it is. How do I get it? Linear phase also, and you see that this is exterior for this no. We can add this both no. Anyhow, that is your wish. Okay, you are going to say that. We will say that like this. Y plus 104 is equal to 180. Reason? Linear phase. Like that you write it. By using that you can find the value of y. Next, one more angle DBC. This one you can find it. How? By adding these three no. So because this is a triangle no. So what you write here? Z plus 65 plus this y value you know that 76 is equal to 180. Reason? Sum angle property. Angle sum property. Sorry, angle. By using that we can find that. And one more angle ABC. ABC. These two if you add, you will get that one, you know.
Yes.
X plus Z if you add, what you will get? A, B, C only you will get it, no?
Yes.
Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
So he didn't say to find DBA and this BAD, but that are needed. Without knowing that, you can't find them.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, you have to find that both only. Then after, one by one, you can find these all. Okay, Lokesh, can you do now? 5th, 6th completed, 7th completed.
Yes, sir.
8th one. What is the 8th one? The exterior angle PRS of angle PQR is 105. If Q is equal to 70, then find P. Is angle PRS greater than angle P?
We can.
So, if you draw the picture, you can get clear idea. Without drawing, you can't get it. So, what is the triangle is here? PQR. First to draw the triangle. Second, what is the exterior angle? PRS. Where will come see? PRS. Like this?
No.
No. Like this. Exterior he said no.
Yes.
This is 105 he said. Next what is given? Q is equal to 70 is given. So now what you can find easily? That all you can find, but here he is discussing about the find P only.
We can
Find C.
70 that
You can find this no.
X by X to 115.
In exterior angle property. After finding that, he is asking angle PRS. This is greater than this or not? Is this greater than this or not? Yes, this is always greater than. By adding this, we are getting this. No? By adding this, both you are getting this.
Yes.
Means what is the meaning? It is bigger only, no?
Yes.
Next. Question number 9. It is direct question, I think. If an exterior angle of the triangle is 130 and one of the interior opposite angles is 60, what is the other? 60 no? 60? 70 no? One exterior angle given, one interior angle given, what is another he is asking? He is saying this is 130, this is 60, and how much is this he is asking? 70. Direct question, no? Yes, you draw the triangle. One triangle, exterior angle is 130. In that interior opposite, in out of two interior opposite are there, no? One is 60. What will be the other is asking? So what it is? 70. Okay, Ganesh. Very direct question it is. And last one is where no? 11th one. So like this question yesterday, I think you have answered. Example problem. This is 30 and it is 50. A very easy question I think it is.
50 and 30
Very easy question. Why you can get it?
because
Why is the exterior angle property? By using exterior angle property, by adding this to you can get it.
if we are adding this,
Then X you can get it.
yes.
X is also exterior angle, no?
Yes.
Exterior angle of this triangle. By adding these two, you will get X. Simple, direct. Okay? Only two times also we are using exterior angle property. Okay? So, if you have any doubt, if you ask me, I will solve. No doubt. So, yes, tomorrow.